So for today's video, we have Shasha. She's actually a new driver.
Hi!
Yeah.
I'm a driver here. Sa wakas nakapag-drive, binag-drive ko na rin si Mara.
Yeah. Finally, I'm a passenger princess. So,
Yeah.
what are you feeling right now?
I feel so like...
Are you nervous?
Yes, I'm nervous. Thanks to Mara. She guided me in my life.
So, we're actually heading to SM San Mateo.
At napa-seatbelt siya.
Yeah. I'm actually wearing my seatbelt.
Kapit na kapit.
And I'm ready for the handbrake. Just in case something happens. Hi. It's almost 6 p.m. I'm with Alyssa.
Hi, dude.
It's the TikTok society. So, guys, we're here at SM.
We're here at SM. And then...
Entering the parking area.
Actually, my dude is my trainer, driving school trainer
For today.
for today. My first passenger also.
First passenger princess. With nervous breakdown. Char.
Okay. Kapit na kapit. Turuan mo ako sa parking, dude.
Okay, we're entering. Huwag ka lumapit.
Nakikita ko naman.
Huwag kang tututok. So we're entering the SM premises. Wait, I think you're still... Hey, kaliwa. Ala. Kaliwa ah. Up, diretso. Oh, bawi, dude. Sige. Diretso. Kaliwa. Sundan mo yung ano, baka tumama ka. Oh, wag ka kumabig mabuti. Asya! Mabababain kita. Diretso. Naonte. Oh, masyado ka nasa gilid. Oh, sige, go.
Okay na. Okay na.
Sige. Yan, wag ka masyadong nasa left. Kanan na onte, ah. Kanan pa. Okay. Sige, tansyahin mo. Okay. Okay.
Pero titing-tingin niya ako sa...
Oo, syempre. Okay.
Sa pa, dito na tayo.
O, dito na tayo. Yes. Nakahinga.
Kanina, grabe.
Nervous ako. Kasi sa akala ko na-try mo na talaga umakyat eh. So, we're here.
Dali, alis kayo dyan. Uwi ka. Kinabahan ka po.
I got nervous, guys. Diretso. Okay. Sige. Wala pang nag-i-stop. Up. Oh my God. She parked successfully.
Thanks, dude. You the best.
So, hi guys. We're actually here na sa SM San Mateo's parking.
Welcome.
Nakarating kami sa aming paroroon.
Na-scared ka ba?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, so
I'm proud of you, dude.
first passenger, unlock.
Yeah, I'm now a passenger princess. So we're gonna eat and chika muna. Bye.
Let's go, bye.
So hi guys, we're actually here na sa SM San Mateo's parking.
Welcome.
Nakarating kami sa aming paroroon.
Na-scared ka ba?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, so
I'm proud of you, dude.
first passenger, unlock.
Yeah, I'm now a passenger princess. So we're gonna eat and chika muna. Bye.
Let's go, bye.
Food and my day. Yeah. After stressing me, charot. Hi guys!
Hi.
So nakarating na kami sa aming bahay ulit.
Salamat sa
Safe
Diyos.
and sound. Gabi na. Time check. 6:57.
Thanks, dude.
Keep it up. Practice more.
Yeah.
So ingat ka pa uwi.
Lahat ng passenger ay isasabay ko kahit tinatamad, isasabay ko.
Very good. Okay, bye-bye!